As we've been talking about all week long, parts of the Northland are in a drought. It's certainly bad for plants and fire conditions, but is it helping lower the record high lake levels that have led to flooding and damage in recent years? Duluth has a precip deficit of more than 6 inches for the year. So we talked to a scientist that forecasts lake levels to see if these dry conditions have helped. Dina Apps with the Army Corps of Engineers says the rain shortage in Duluth will not change the lake level significantly, and the flood and erosion threat still exists.
Water levels, are still high, and as we go into the fall, and we typically get those fall storms that impact the region. There is still likely impacts of erosion and flooding, depending on where you are on the shore.
There is some good news. Apps says water levels are forecast to lower over the next 6 months.